morning. Vlog 13. I'm all backwards today. Ooh. So I forgot if I showed my 69 subscribers, but my runner's back. She's fixed, she's running. Oh, that's not a Honda. That ain't no Honda. Got some leaky fork seals. Still ain't a Honda. Not so freshy. Dante's old bike. It did fall off yesterday, but that's because I didn't put it in gear, so it just rolled off. But she's in gear now. Learned my lesson. Thanks, Joe. Missed the vlog part of the vlog the other day, but I'm here now. Got some freshy seals, and I'm gonna go ride. It's a little rainy. She's singing. Let's get out of here. It's nasty out right now. And I just realized I forgot a stand. There's Anthony. So that's cool. Hurricane Katrina out there right now still. The ride was good. It was like fun for the first hour. But then it kind of got cold and did it for the vlog. It's like 2 days later right now. I was just too lazy to vlog after the ride because I was tired, so I went to bed. Anyways, I'm gonna go save Ashland right now because her 4Runner, she has a 4Runner too, of course. She got one first actually, but she has a sunroof and it leaks like every other freaking 4Runner in the world. So yeah, we're gonna go save her real quick. Got a tarp. We got the tarp up. And it's raining. Yeah, there's the lake. Damn, I thought I was going slow. Can't be hydro locking the runner. That's Dante's move, not mine. Is it just me, or does your car fog up anytime you use the heater when it's raining? Like, if it's not on that freaking defroster, it's fogging up. Like, even, it can't even be on the other defroster with the feet warmer, or else it's gonna just fog. It fogs. Oh, it's raining? Let's fog. Oh, you don't have a defroster on? Oh, let's fog. Stupid, dude. Okay, but really though, I'm like freezing because I have it on the defroster now, and it's not foggy. But watch, I'll put it on that one. See, defroster and toes. Yeah, hey, watch. I'll get back to you in a couple minutes. She'll be fogged up. There we go. A couple minutes later, it's starting to fog up, and my toes aren't even warm, so it's not like that's doing anything. That's it for the vlog. Like or subscribe, or dislike and unsubscribe. Honestly, I don't care. Whatever, do what you want. Whatever floats your boat. I feel like I'm in a boat right now. It's freaking Hurricane Katrina outside. Okay, bye.